Some mornings you don't need a reason, you just need the right boat. This is the Princess F65, and it was built for the kind of day that starts before the marina wakes up. Built in Plymouth, England. Princess, 60 years of British craft, every yacht out of the same yard. This one's the flagship of the F-class, and it shows up ready. Plenty of power to run before the afternoon weather builds. Past the inlet, into open water, and you're somewhere new before the second pot of coffee. Cruise at 26. Top end pushing 33 when you want it. Swim platform drops. Tender ready in minutes. Cockpit opens to the saloon through sliding glass. Lift window at the galley meets the outside bar. Everything points outward. Foredeck lounge for the early swim crew. Flybridge above for breakfast in the sun. Wet bar up top. Sun pad forward. Helm with eyes on every horizon. 4 cabins below for the people staying the weekend. The boat does the hosting. You just keep showing up. Drop anchor in the bay. Music low. Lunch on the Flybridge. Swim off the platform. Watch the light shift on the water until you forget what day it is. The owner cabin holds dawn light. The galley keeps everyone fed. This is the boat you take when nobody wants to go home. For full specifications and availability, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts.